Yeah. Y'all want to know what I've been doing for the last 2 months? This old house, foundation pillars is giving away on it. It sunk into the ground. Those pillars right there, there was only about 6 inches of them sticking out of the dirt. You can see the line on that one up there. But I've been pulling them out one by one, pouring a concrete slab underneath of them and jacking the house up, slipping them back under. I'm going to tear all that old skirting off, add some new insulation, and put some new skirting down along the bottom of it. But the floors in this old house was all unlevel, and I want to refloor it. And man, it's been a job in this hot weather. But this one right here, I think, is maybe still a little, got to have another shim under it. Maybe, I don't know. But I've got it pretty level. Got one on the side there. Hello, kitty cat. What you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Meow. 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 Anyway, doing the whole house. It's such a job by myself, but I'm getting her. Certainly is a mess right now, but eventually I'll have it finished. There's one there. It's got to have another 1/4 inch shim under it. But everything else is looking pretty good. So that's what I've been doing. We'll catch you later. Well, I got this side pretty well done. I had a lot of work digging all them out, putting them back in there, pouring concrete underneath. But I got them. I got that. It's level. Floors is level. I've got the backside to do, but I've got this front here out next to the road. I've got it done. And I stuck a couple extra blocks in right there on the corner just to help support it. Got these all put back in there, shimmed up. Floors is level. So that's what I was looking for. Tear this old walkway out, get rid of it, put new paver stones down, get some skirting, get around the bottom of this house for winter time. But all in all, turned out pretty good. So with that, we'll catch you later. That's what I've been doing for the last 2 months. And it's getting about time to go metal detecting again. Cooled off. We're in the 80s now. So we'll see what we can do. So we'll catch you later. Flower garden. Overrun with grass. But that's about the end of it for this year.